Shubor nakaslem jong Rnong san Hima.
Ka Meghalaya kala Khur Kawei ka Takma Rnong haka Khelo India Youth Games araja apusan kabadang ya chaprang habihar kani kalawan lingba urang yelek kai set khnam u Devraj Mohapatra ha karika hadien ba ula job ya u Vishnu na Uttar Pradesh dah nyo lalai pon ha ka nyo trek u Jemang araja apusan ha Bhagalpur Bihar habaphai shaka kanhon yelek kai football kabalara ya kanam ladu house nem araja apusaw Kalamat ya kajing sya remno ha ka Odisha da arla Kawei gol ha ka nyutrik ujemang arhaja apusan laban penkenmau baha ka hendrutrik ujemang arhaja apusan kani ka kenhun hapo kajing elam uba Jeffrey Walarpi kala job hado shipau la Kawei gol ya ka Chandigarh tekumta kani ka kenhun kadon kam banjob ya kajing yakun bakhado persya ya ka West Bengal na kabenta banikun shika quarter final Hakani ka limpong kabala long habihar kajala kan pha hadu shpautli ki jat jingile kai ki bakantop ya ka football kabala yo lingba ka direct entry kat baki wai pat ki bala yo ya ka wild card entry kilong ka archery athletics badminton boxing cycling gymnastic judo shooting bat ka swimming
Studying for the category because boys the winner of the bronze medal representing Meghalaya, please put your hands together for the Devraj Mohapatra. Now, I'd like to request Dr. Vasundhara Ma to present the medal as souvenir to that one. Thank you so much, ma'am. The winner of the silver medal representing Tamil Nadu, please put your hands together for Samran Savesh. Now, I would like to request Mr. Kawei sir to present the medal as souvenir to the athlete. Thank you so much, sir. And now, the moment of glory, the winner of the gold medal for archery, the cup points. At the 7th Kawei Games Bihar 2025, 1,000 applause for the champion representing Maharashtra. Please put your hands together for Ushwar Bharatolika. Now, I would like to request Dr. Vasundhara Ma to present the medal as souvenir to the athlete.